Okay, let's kick it off then with Hormaz. Hormaz, some red, but a big fight back from the bulls.
A big fight back for sure. And today, even today's session, we were anticipating everything to be about HDFC Bank. But then we found one stock that overshadowed HDFC Bank, and that was Oracle Financial. The stellar results that the stock had resulted in the surge, the 29% surge that the stock saw today, the biggest surge in a single day on record. More importantly, now for the month of January, the stock is up over 50%. It has not done this ever since it started listing in July of 2002. Of course, we can't not talk about HDFC Bank because the ADRs were down 9%, and the fear was that there would be a similar sort of fall today as well. Not similar, but still down 3.5%, the biggest contributor to the Nifty downside, and it is nearing a 52-week low, which is at 1460, and that is 3.5% on HDFC Bank. Some of the high-flying PSUs in the recent times have seen a bit of a downtick in today's session, and that is IRFC, a 7-day surge today coming to an end, ending 2% lower. IRCON, Massgaon Dock, NTPC, Power Grid, all of them ending lower today. The stocks of the day, as you mentioned, LTI Mindtree, the biggest fall in 3 days. Beg your pardon, in 3 years actually, biggest fall since 2020, 11% lower there. Happiest Minds as well ending lower. India Mart, the subscriber addition was below estimates, ending 4% lower after the earnings were reported. Polycab and Tata Communications also seeing reaction to their earnings. And the sector of the day, of course, was Pharma. All the stocks, all the components of the Pharma index doing well. Aurobindo Pharma 3.5% higher. Sun Pharma post the acquisition of Taro, GSK Pharma, Cipla and Lupin also doing well. What also bucked the trend lastly were PSU banks, and that sector also did well. Bank of Maharashtra continuing to move higher after its results. Central Bank of India, Punjab and Sindh Bank, UCO Bank, IOB all moving higher. But remember, all of these, the last 4 names, very low float, and hence the reactions are always on the extreme. Back to you.
Okay, all right. Thanks a lot for that. Hormaz, well, joining